So let's just go one step to start with. Release, anchor, give. Like I can see that her sideways is pretty nice. Release or close your legs when she goes back and just say stand still and relax. So even if you just give her a little rein, because you don't want to be on her mouth unless you're asking him to be soft. Yeah, how to side pass really well. I'm not just going to come out and expect him to side pass straight away. I might just do 1 or 2 steps to go, oh, we're playing the sideways game. We're playing the side. He's like, yep, I'm on this. Then I can go into doing my lots of steps and my side passes, but I've built his confidence to say, hey, this is what we're doing now. Okay, just a little tip. You don't need to bend her now.
All right.
Yeah, because otherwise they go out through the outside shoulder.
Okay.
So she can stay pretty straight in the neck. You can just see her inside eye, it's tiniest bit of flexion, but you're much straighter in the neck.
Okay.
Then she goes to go forward, the leg backs off a little to say, not forward, sideways, not forward, sideways, good, sideways, sideways, and she starts to go forward, not forward, sideways. Okay, the question was, Jan said, oh, sometimes I feel a hindquarter leaking behind, but you've got all this inside bend on her. So think about when you've got inside bend, what's going to happen to the outside shoulder? So is she leaving her hindquarter behind, or is she leaking out through the outside shoulder and going forward?
Okay.
Yes, yeah. But you're taking the whole horse sideways.
Okay, as soon as I felt her shoulder go straight, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah,
So micro though.
it's very small.